Hi guys, it's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, Grateful Creations. Well, I have been in experimental mode all night. And I have done a couple on here. It didn't work out, but that's okay because it's an experiment. Hopefully, you know, and the thing is, I had two tiles that worked out very well. And I think my expectations are that high. So this is kind of along the lines of my last video. It is a shadow pour. So what I'm going to do is put down my base coat. I was practicing with the 2021 recipe and I ran out. So I'm back to the 2019. So I'm just going to stretch this out. The colors I'm using tonight, I have my own homemade permanent violet dark. I have Amsterdam, Naples yellow, red light. I have Modern Masters in I think it's oyster mixed with iridescent pearl. I also have Lucas Krill Phthalo Blue mixed with Amsterdam Oxide Black, and I put some Pebeo iridescent blue violet in it. It's a really cool color. So that's my other experiment tonight, was experimenting with that color. It's kind of cool. And what else do I have? I think that's it. And the shadow is going to be, what is that that's making that noise out there? If anybody knows what it is, let me know. It's like tick, 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 tick. This is Colourarte in teal zircon. This is Colourarte in, what is this? Ginger flower. Okay, so I fixed these up special. And are they on the thick side? Oh, geez. Bug. It's bug season here. These are a little on the thick side, so I'm going to thin them out a little bit. I don't think I put any water in here at all. This is just GAC 800 Liquitex pouring medium. A little bit of 7300. I disperse them with the Liquitex pouring medium. Yeah, this is better. I just put a little bit of water in this. Hopefully this will work out, because it was a little too thick. Nope, it's good now. All right, so I'm going to put this down here. Yeah, that's much better consistency. And I'm going to put this, see, I used almost all of it. This down here. Oops. And then we're going to tilt it back and forth, and this way and that way. Yes, much better. Much better. See, now I'm seeing some fractaling, and that's because I put the water in it just now. Oh, maybe it's not, I don't know. But when I had it without the water, it actually produced some pearls. But that's not what we're going for. I'll show you. See how it's turning purple? Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Because you'd think a greenish color with the pink would turn mud, but it's turning purple. So this is our shadow base. It's really cool, guys. I mean, I've never seen anything like this, but yeah, I'm just glad I was able to figure this out. And I hope it turns out on this canvas. And if it doesn't, I'm going to have to show you those darn tiles, or maybe start doing them on tiles, who knows. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit for a second. My water is absolutely, it's like mud. It's like mud. Oh my gosh. Anyhow, let's get that out. Let it sit for a moment. Isn't that cool? So, yeah, it might work out better on tiles because it's like a slippery surface. See how the pearls are coming up? But they're different looking pearls. They're kind of muted almost. All right, so Permanent Violet Dark, homemade. That funky color I made with the phthalo blue. This is the Naples Yellow, Red Light, Oyster, and Iridescent Pearl. And I think that's it. What I'm gonna do is pour another base down. Oh, I put way too much paint on. Stretch it out. Stretch it out. Still making a nice little ring pour down here. And I'm just gonna stretch it this way too. This way and that way. I'm not sure if this is gonna work because this canvas was a little bit damp earlier because I did pour on it earlier. All right, now I'm gonna put my colors down. See what's happening? Very cool. So, I'm gonna start with Iridescent Pearl Oyster Mix. I always go light to dark. It's a little bit more dramatic. Hopefully I didn't put too much on. I think I did already. All right, whoops, almost knocked it over. So I'm gonna start tilting, tilting this way. Oh, let me get it off a little bit more. Right to the bottom, and then tilt back. I think this is going to be pretty. I have to put some more color on. That is impossible. How could you have done that? What is that noise? My niece and I were up till all hours of the morning trying to figure out what kind of nocturnal creature is out there making that noise. Okay, I'm going to bring this all the way down. Already getting pearls on the other side, so they're starting to get wonky. Around. But I want some of that don't know if I'm going to get any pearls off of that. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Ooh, I'm starting to like this. I like the composition too. I'm glad I'm going off this corner. And I'm going to bring it back. So I will get pearls. The blue always tends to get pearls. All right, I think I'm going to leave it. Let it do its thing, put you on time lapse, and lower my expectations because I have been expecting too much. And maybe that is my problem. All right, putting you on time lapse. Hey guys, so isn't this cool? See that gradient of color? That's from the Colourarte underneath the shadow pour. Whoops, see? Yes, my exposure is a little high, but I like it a lot. And see that blue right there? That's got the Pebeo iridescent violet blue in it. Yep, I don't think there's anything I don't like about this. Took a few tries, and that looks like a butterfly wing right there. This is a transparent color, that's why it turned out like this, but I'm not crying. And that's one of my favorite spots right there. Look at that. Pearls turned out beautiful. Well, it's time for bed. Please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. And ciao for now. Hey guys, I couldn't wait till the sun came out tomorrow to show you the dried results. So I had to show you now. This is just, I mean, I love it. It has the like the blue right up here, fades into like a purple, and then a pink at the bottom. And these are my test tiles that I did. So I really, that one's not so bright. I like that, the left side, but not the right side. I don't know what the heck I was doing. But anyhow, yeah, I'm gonna be doing more of these. That's for sure. And probably tonight. Anyhow, had to show you the dried result. Thanks for being here.